Greetings everyone, Brett here with Hammerhead Model Making, and we are back with another 5-minute review. Today we're going to be taking a look at another submarine, and pretty much the biggest submarine of them all. This is the Hobby Boss 1/350th scale Typhoon class ballistic missile submarine. And it is definitely as big as you think it is. The box is quite large. It's actually slightly smaller than the Ohio class by Dragon, but not by much. But again, the submarine is massive, and one of the things that Hobby Boss has gone through great lengths to do is reproduce all of the anechoic tiles on the submarine. And this is a very welcomed addition. While they might be slightly, over scale for the scale, I think it does a good representation of the kind of the surface texture of these submarines. You get 4 identical copies of this sprue, which comes with all of your missile tubes, the outer and inner hatches for the missiles themselves, and various few other parts. That you have to build 20 missile tubes for this thing if you want to display any of the tubes open. You can display them closed if you want to. This is the upper portion of the sail, and this sprue has a lot of the like rudders and dive planes. It also has some mechanical linking for the bow planes, so they can retract and extend. You get plastic props. You get 2 different versions of the upper portion of the sail, so you can have like all the periscopes and stuff up, or you can have it closed. You do get photo etch copies of the props. Finally, you get a small decal sheet, which mainly just consists of like all of the depth gauges that go on the side of the submarine. Painting and marking guide, pretty simple. And the instruction booklet is not terribly complicated either. Just basically going through lower hull, missile tubes, upper hull, sandwich it all together, and then go on and do a lot of the smaller details there. So pretty straightforward. It is a very large submarine. And I figured that someone invariably would ask, well, how big does this compare to other submarines? So here is the hull of the Typhoon next to the hull of a Los Angeles class attack boat. So you can see it is significantly larger. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the quick review. Take the quick look inside the box. And this is definitely one that I will be wanting to do sooner rather than later. Although in reality, I kind of say that about almost every kit that I review. But yeah, this looks like a good addition and one that I'll be excited for. Thank you to all of my patrons for supporting the channel, and thank you all who have subscribed. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider like the video. Tell me what you think. Talk to you later.